guys, it's me, Sorry Felix, and in today's video, we are in Animal Jam. So, I am dancing right now. Hi Felix fans. So, I'm Wild Spirit 08, and you can see me. So let's go to my den right now, because there's nothing to do over there. I didn't know why I teleported there. I was in my den. Maybe it's like the lobby or something. So I got a lot of Arctic foxes and 2 elephants. So 2 elephants and 2 Arctic foxes. 1 elephant there, and oh yeah, the other one's there. So right now we're gonna go to a party, and I think it's gonna be a really nice party. Let's see. Penguins only. Oh, I couldn't do it. We can't do the party. Coming parties. It's really slow right now for some reason. Okay, so horses only party. Why is it only party? I really like the trade party, but I don't really know how to trade, but now I do. That's really annoying. So let's go and play a game then. I'm gonna play Best Dressed. And let's do it quickly, so then we can do it like we can, instead of waiting for the next round. Let's see if I'm gonna wait for the next round. Okay, now which bunny am I? This one? Aw, waiting for the next round. It's annoying. So let's wait for the next round and practice dressing. So this is gonna be like the girly girl. If it ever said girly girl, then I would do, oops, I need the pink thing. Pink. Oh, that looks so cute on her. And then a necklace. And girly girl, everything. And a little pink thing. Why isn't this showing? There we go. So, when are we gonna wait? How long is it gonna be? So then we can do this, and then it takes away the cake. Anyway, this is a girly girl for me. The cake would be nice, actually. And yeah, I really like this bunny. She looks so cute. When are we gonna wait for the next round? Okay, bye-bye. I don't want to just wait for a long time and make my Felix fans wait. So let's play the claw then. Please. Let's do it 2 times. I don't want my Felix fans to wait. Okay. Yes. 5 gems is a tiny bit, so let's do this. Like where it was, because it sometimes tricks us. 3, 2, 1, let's see. No, I don't think so, yeah. Not at all. Yes. And then it does on the second one, the second time. It actually like puts the present there, I think. Because it always does that. What? It always does that. Okay, one more time. Okay, actually, Felix fans, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a brilliant holiday or school. And toodles. Please subscribe. Bye.